one friend, call them and say, you know that. Let us welcome one another. It should be a welcome. आगे पीछे भी You all know biology, zoology, immunology. There are many logy, you know. Does anybody know yogology? Anybody know yogology? No? Only in ISB we have yogology. What is yogology about? Any clue from you? Yogology? Yoga is an art or logical? Technical? Yoga is an art or technical? What? Art. Raise your hand. Art. Raise your hand. Very intelligent people. Okay. Say that it's a technical, logical. Raise your hand. Brilliant people. Very brilliant. So, tell me what is it? It is the only one. Yogology is the only one. Children, can you keep quiet? Children, keep quiet. Children, the moment they go there, they become big. Big. They walk, change, and everything. They're not like yogis now. Yogology is the one which will take you from the art to the science. That is what is the yogology. You would have learned it as an art from the guru. Okay, we have to pay the dakshina, we have to wait for it, it is a call, all this mystical thing we do that for the yoga, and that is of course it's true, and that has to be experienced. We cannot prove it. That is happening. Good. But from that you have to develop. Your evolution develops. That is the science, is the logical things are coming in there. When you stretch your hand, contract your hand. What is happening? Learning that is the logical. That's the science. So from the art you have to take it to the technical, that is yogology. Are you with me? Stay with me. So this yogology is the one where we are bringing it. That masters, the teachers, those are already done courses here, the previous masters here. Couple of them already done the master's course. They also would have experienced that from the art, how it is slowly taken into the science. That it becomes the yoga therapy also. It's not just the yoga master's course. In master's course, you will be more creative learning the art of yoga. That's the difference. Then the technical part of it, more technical is in this when you are coming to the therapy course. That is yogology. In ISB, we have brought this art and the science together, make a person to be complete, to experience what is yoga. Just one question to you. How long you need, layman, let us take it as a layman. How long a layman need to learn yoga? Satisfactory. How long a layman need? Is not introduced to yoga, he never experienced yoga, not done it. Okay? Just first time he is doing. How long the person needs to practice and to complete, like to his satisfaction. How long a person has to practice yoga? Lifetime. Layman won't come. Lifetime will come.
Depends on the person.
Yeah, depends upon the
What
person.
person and his interest.
Interest. Okay. Person's interest. Anything else? Yeah, how long you need it? Yoga? As an art, you need your life. As a technique, the research is going, you need the same life. There is no starting, there is no ending. It is one, it is like the tiger by the tail. If you leave it, you have it. And you have to hold it. That grip is very important where it does yoga. You just cannot hold it loose. You made it. Here now, to cut down the essence of the yoga, there are many things that have come. Like for example, aerobics, You know what is it? No, yoga in the air, yoga in the water, yoga in the tree, yoga in the tree, and then yoga in the office, and yoga in the chair, and yoga on the mat, and yoga in the park. Yoga in what? Only theatres have come, not come. These are the hot yoga, power yoga, sweat yoga, AC yoga, non-AC yoga. Okay, the many menus are there, but it is not yoga. Please understand. We maintain here very contemporary men who can learn yoga without disturbing the ancient values. That's what we maintain it with our heart and soul, putting it there. The teachers, the partners, whoever it's here, they put their self in there. Because they are the example, the learners also become the example. That is the reason they have to fight in the family and community. It's difficult, very difficult. Because they see the example cases. So that's why. Okay. This is there. Learning it as an art and bringing it to the science. Why it has to come like that? Tomorrow the doctor says how this yoga is helping you for your arthritis, how the yoga is helping for your tuberculosis. The doctor will put the question, how can you do this? What is that is helping? That is the science. You have to give them the answer. Yoga can cure what? The spirit level. Up to the spirit level it can. So there is nothing like only this can cure, this cannot cure. Everything can be alternative medicine. This is the ultimate medicine. Yoga is the only one ultimate medicine. I was in a different industry in my life for more than 9 years. I have a couple of friends who are, I know them many decades. They knew that how I grew from 1980s. From the 80s how I was, what I was doing, and now what I am different. They knew it very well. This is the, I don't say it is in a, say, like a push to do this. I learned it, I understood and then come into this. I was earning and I was really a very good earner those days. Now I earn, of course, the name. Now I get a lot of duas from you all. That is there when you get your problems solved, like the pain body, all these are there. You're getting it the same. All the teachers, masters, they are capable of only thing, they have to learn the nadi. That also will happen one day. We'll call you all the teachers and all will be learning this nadis also, how to see the nadi. At least majorly 7 problems they can learn. The 7 problems they can learn, they can give what kind of a yoga they have to give. That also can be, very soon it can happen. There's one question I wanted to answer. Some of the teachers and some of the masters, their family has some kind of grudge against me or something. Why she keep on conducting courses? Why you keep on attending the courses? What am I doing? Can you believe my 2 partners, they still keep attending? 9 years of my studies, day and night in the ashram. Day and night in the ashram. That I can't give it to you all or pass it to you all just like that. It's not possible. And I have to prepare you to learn something. Bhakti remedy recently I conducted it. So the one master asked me, this is an ultimate one where I can become, I almost become a doctor. I can suggest. But what's happening? Why did you teach this first? The many courses you conducted, I attended some. Tell me if you are capable of doing the PhD without doing your LKG or LKG. It's not possible. I need to prepare you. This is what happened. For the Bhakti remedy, the flower remedy course, when I was learning from my master, he told me, now you learned, okay? He said, yes, I said, no. You started learning. Again we stopped. And then after 3 years of 3 years, he didn't allow me to suggest anyone. The medicines, the remedies. Then after 5 years, he said, now you can do on your own. Then also he didn't give me the guidance. The 6th year, he gave me his book, personal book. Now this is passed away. Recently passed away. He gave me the book and now all yours. Now I know you can conduct course. The day he passed away, that was the day I decided I will conduct a Bhakti. You know how long I spent? Around 7 years I spent having that knowledge, not teaching anyone or not sharing it with anyone, not able to practice it. So the gurus that they used to tie your hand, giving you the knowledge. Generally they do it because they prefer you. So I was a slow learner maybe, so he put me 7 years. But you are at the 7th day itself he started giving it. How many of you done the Bhakti remedy with me? You have started giving the medicines?
Yes, ma'am.
Without me also?
No, ma'am.
No, yes or no? If you say that only with me, then it's not good. You're all giving
Yes, ma'am.
Bhakti remedy. It's good, that is very good. So now,
They want to learn India more and more. So they always, she's available. So they think it's best right to now.
Yes.
What do you say?
but I was pushing
I
you.
yes, है ना?
I know that.
Appointment
That
नहीं
pushing you.
जाएगा. Doctor remedy Google है. मैं should use the friends.
You should use a particular Bhakti remedy to use it right. That is also there. Right. So this Yogology I was telling you all to get into that art to the science if you are doing the master's course or therapy course. Because you have done the master's course only, you will be eligible to do the therapy course. Because unless you touch the art and philosophy, it is difficult to learn the science. Straight away you go for the science, the doctors may not know the philosophy of the body. That is the way they fail. You understand this point? You go as a cancer patient, I go as a cancer patient. They'll give me the cancer medicines, but they may not know what is happening to my right ear. They will immediately say, there is a connection between the cancer and the right ear. There is a connection between the cancer and the whole body and the spirit. That is because of the philosophy, and they miss the philosophy. Why the right ear? Then immediately you say, my part of giving you the medicine, analyzing is finished by giving the medicines and prescribing the medicine for the cancer. Your right ear is having the pain, you have the pain, not you. Your right ear is having the pain, okay, not you. Your right ear is having, there is a gap. Your right ear is having the pain, you go, take the right ear to the right doctor, he is sitting at the right corner, go. Okay, they will segment it. Because they don't know the philosophy of what the body, mind, breath and spirit. If they know the body, mind, spirit, or this one single thought, the first thought what you get in the morning, with that the whole day you have the hormone secretion. Suddenly how do we get the heart attack? The heart attack is nothing suddenly. You agree with me? Heart attack never be sudden. It is gradually comes. Skin disease, it is not sudden. It is gradually you are under the pressure or stress. You may say, no, my family is good, I am good, everything is good. Deep inside, go inside. That is what that Yogology will help you learning the art and then the science. What is happening? I am coming for yoga since 2 years. Sit down. 2 years. I am coming for yoga 2 years. But still my knee pain is not. Knee pain is the one, the starting of your something happening in your heart. What can happen in the heart? What can happen in the heart? Blockage. Okay, what can happen in the heart? Emotion. You check yourself how emotional you are. If you are emotional, your knee pain will be there. These things doctors cannot teach you, cannot tell you, cannot analyze and understand. And they cannot make you understand this, the knee pain is due. Right. This is possible only in the yoga. So the body is very creative. So many billions of the cells are there in our body. And with this, what we have to do is learning first about ourselves. How will you learn? The 21 billions of cells are there. How to learn? Only by keeping the mind shut. So we often conduct the meditation. If not anything, you can't do yoga, you can't come for yoga class, nothing. One is the money, of course it's an expensive place. We maintain that because the place is expensive. We are not expensive. Okay. The place is expensive. Right. One. And maintaining the certain, the par with the international level, it's really difficult. come, you are not motivated, you don't have the time or anything, at least come for the meditation, which is the non-religious. If you are doing the meditation with the religion hope, you are having pattern of thinking where you cannot heal yourself. Drop your religion and do the meditation. Religion are two different things. You are going beyond the religion is the meditation that we conduct here. Anybody, Mohammedan, Christian, Hindu, anybody can come here. Enjoy whatever it is there, the portion is given to them. It will always be there. Right. Let me not take your time early in the morning for making you welcome drink was so chill and my talk is very hot. So let me not. There was a person, I would like to tell you this, there was a person, he said, Ma'am, I went to all the doctors, this problem is not cured, this problem is not going away from me. So what should I do? What can you do? I said, all the doctors. So take one more doctor, come to me, that's all. You have done all the doctors, so come to me. So what is happening to you? I asked the person. This person said, what is happening is, I get headache. So I go to the doctor. The doctor gives me the medicine. Then headache goes off. Then immediately I get the stomach pain. What do I do? I talk to the doctor. My headache is gone, my stomach pain is there. The doctor said, that is not my problem, your headache is my problem. Right. He only cures the headache. Then he said, what should I do? If I take one tablet for one thing, that disappears, something else is coming. So what should I do? What is happening? Can you guess what's happening to this person? He cannot be chemically cured. That's all. He cannot be chemically cured. He has to be psychologically cured. How? Everybody, we cannot have a psychologist. Nowadays going to the psychologist, a psychiatrist is a, what to say, condemned in the family. You are going to psychiatrist, finished, क्या problem है? मेरे मन नहीं था कैसे बहू बनी बस finished. How you become my daughter-in-law? You would have told me long back, isn't it? Psychiatrist is a way of go to the psychiatrist. I don't say go to the psychiatrist. Psychologists are your friend. First get counsel about your health, about your mind, emotion, get counsel. There are many things you can solve, including your financial problem. Modi got a good psychologist, that's why he could create a financial problem and he can solve the financial problem. You know that? His best friends are the psychologists. He could do it. Before he could take the decision, he met many, even the foreign, Indian psychologists. He met them. This is what the decision I am going to take. What will be the psychology of this country. He learned it. It's not an easy thing to be PM. Usually whatever the PM said, we do it. But here is different. Whatever we do, PM said, do yoga. We easily protected it. That's what he said. And we got it. Right. So the what I am saying is psychology. This psychology is possible when you learn the Bhakti remedy and also the yoga science to the heart when you do the master's course. You become a psychologist. You will learn whom you don't know. Your husband would have been a new person after finishing the course. Your wife will be a new person after finishing the course. Your own family people, your children, your neighbor, your friends, everybody will be a new person because so far you never learned about them. Learning is nothing but understanding. This is sure. My husband called me and said, nowadays my marital life is really good because of this. I thank you. I cannot come there and tell you the thanks because he openly said, first is my ego. I am holding a very big post here in Chennai. The person he comes here, many people will know how that person has come. Second thing is, he told me that I never knew the yoga can create such a changes in my wife and I can get the best wife. Now, next week, we are going for the honeymoon. How long since he got married? 18 years. He's going for the honeymoon. Consciously going for the honeymoon. This is possible. So it is not that you wasting time and just put everybody come here for the function and it's not. You are the part of it. You are giving the energy. What is the participation in a function is your energy you are sharing with the people who saw the celebrities. Okay. Let me conclude my talk with thanking you all for gathering here for the best occasion and lovely, wonderful, very serene occasion. It has a lot of values, respect and love in this. This is the one occasion I like it. I always wanted to be more decorative. I don't attend the functions, going to the birthday party and this party don't get along. So, party ke liye celebrities are there, I send them off. Okay, that's me going to the parties, really, very rare. So then, this is the one function where I always would like to hold it to the utmost level with that energy. And my teachers and my masters are really very good. They have given me a lot of energy and thanking you all for your precious time, because the precious time why I'm saying is your energy is the same, your presence is the same. Thank you all. We'll be calling the name of the masters and therapists. The orange gown, they're all in the therapy. Those who have already done the masters, now they are